Okay, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rolls in millimetres, materials wetted. The white that you're seeing there is the reflection of the lights. Okay, I've just gone in a bit closer so you get a better look. It's got a bit of mud over the top of it still. Colour bar up through the middle. It's been cut out of bigger boulders to reduce the weight for you, so you're not paying so much for freight. Some of these are lower grade. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.